Today's video, I wanted to highlight on simple trading strategies using Market Cipher and how you can probably win most of your trades. And so these are just basic strategies. First of all, if you're new to this channel, this is Market Cipher, a trading script, and I'm here to take you through one of the basic strategies that you can use to trade. And one of the very simple one is using lower time frames to scalp in the lower time frames. And this is a typical example where we saw momentum wave starting from, let's say, here to the side, came down, then it reaches this oversold territories. Enter a long here, hold on to that long, see the direction of money is in the positive, VWAP is also surging up, so there's a chances of we going up in terms of price. Once momentum crosses this line, this is the inverse line, this is the overbought, and this is the oversold. These are just inverse, so you can hold onto this long from this side. Momentum is also heading upwards, 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 upward. If it crosses the 60 line, expect a correction. This is a correction coming, meaning we are going to register a bearish sign here, then momentum will fall. It might not fall drastically sometimes, but at least you can short from this side, enjoy the ride. If it comes down, you exit your shorts, hold and see if momentum forms another oversold. It crosses the oversold, then crosses, goes up again. The same move, repeat it over and over. This is just a basic strategy. It's like doing the same thing happening here. Let's go back and see how it happens, how it goes. Comes down, crosses the oversold, goes up, then comes down again, goes up, goes up, goes up, then now it comes down fully. Reason why it couldn't come down fully here into the negative is because we have liquid supporting it up, supporting the movement. So it's like liquid is also pushing price up. So even though momentum came down, it couldn't come drastically into the negatives. It held into the positives, but again it came down, went up again, and went up again. Let's see how price reacted today. When momentum went up, price went up. When momentum came down, likewise, price also came down. Momentum came down and price went up again, then came down. What happened to price? Price also came down. So this is like simple scalping on lower time frame, just simple scalping. Enter, exit, enter, exit, enter, exit. This is just easy way of using Market Cipher to just make good trades. So let's say if I did 10 trades that were solid using Market Cipher, I've won 10 trades easy. Rinse and repeat, do the same thing without a struggle. You don't have to rush your trades like you're looking for the perfect bottom or the perfect top to short. No, you don't have to. You just look at this oscillator and see what I was just demonstrating. Momentum is going up. It's going up. So you could have held on to this long from this side, held on to that long, held on to that long, held on to that long, comes down. It's like you're just using simple strategies. You're not rushing your trades. There's money in the assets, so price will evidently rise. Let's see what was happening to price. Price will evidently rise. Price was going up here, but it will still go up because momentum is heading towards upwards. This is just a basic overview, simple strategy. You don't have to rush. You don't have to rush with Market Cipher. Just keep it simple, and Market Cipher is going to make it easy for your trades. It's just the same way trading has been over for years. It's simplified. You don't have to rush your trades. Keep it simple, keep it straight, and understand what you're doing. And again, this is Market Cipher for you. It's a simple script that gives traders insight into the very direction of an asset. So this is just a basic overview. If you entered a long here, you could have still held on to that long. Right now, momentum seems to be printing a bearish sign, but again, you can still hold. Yes, even though momentum is going down, price is also coming down as well. I think so, but I wouldn't exit this long. I will still hold on to this long because there's liquid in the asset. There is liquid in the asset. This is liquid, so I'll probably hold till momentum goes up here. Till momentum goes up. Let me see. Till momentum goes up into the positives, like we saw here. Goes up into the positives, then I'll leave, probably exit the long, and I'll start shorting because there was going to be a correction down here. There's going to be a correction down here. You understand? So This would have probably been a very good entry here because we reached the oversold side. You see momentum is now heading towards upward. We've registered another bearish high. Money is in the assets. Momentum is heading upwards. And we can even hold on to it and see how it plays. It will definitely go up, and it will reach this point, crosses the 60 line. This is the 60 line and comes down. So this is just a basic overview. This is just easy way of making money with Market Cipher. And again, it's not about talking about Market Cipher or trying to sell you Market Cipher. It's just simple, basic trading entries using Market Cipher. You don't have to rush it. It comes on its own. Don't rush your trades. A simple strategy. You could have probably long like this, oversold. Sorry, we crossed the oversold territories. We crossed the oversold territories here. Then boom, we longed. It went up, came down, then came down drastically because money was exiting. You understand? So it's like just understand how the script works. Keep it simple. Don't rush. It's a Market Cipher for you. I know it's new for most people, but again, I mean, it takes time for your mind to literally familiarize itself with most of these things. But Market Cipher is by far one of the best trading script, if not the best trading script out there, without a doubt. And yeah, of course, this is just a basic overview of using momentum and how momentum plays out, and like scalping with momentum waves and on lower time frames. So this is how to win most of your trades without rushing. Keep it simple. Don't rush. Keep it simple. Until then, have a nice time, people.